Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe on low country boy. I've done this before on my channel, but yeah, this is a very special one again. It's something we love to eat on special occasions. So guys, come on guys, let's do this. This is American delicacy. I'm sure you would love to try it. Stay tuned. This is how you start making your low country boil. Make sure you have water in your pot. Allow the water to boil very well, and then you can go in with your butter. You can use any butter of your choice. Just go in with your butter. Using unsalted butter, okay? I'll go in with the next. So next is going to be my paprika. Add enough paprika. That is what gives it that color. You can also go in with your cayenne peppers. This is for shrimp and all manner of seafood. Kanji, you can go in with kanji seasoning. I love it for my shrimp recipes. It's always very good. Go and look for this seasoning. It's always very good. Go in with your cumin. I know we like spicy food, so go in with your crushed peppers. I'm going to cover this up and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes before I get in with my potatoes and all the rest of them. Alright, let's open up and see. 10 minutes later, now we're going to add our potatoes. So just go in with your potatoes like so. You can also add any other Irish potato of your choice. Yeah. Now you can go in with your oranges, your lemon, your lime. If you want to add lime, it's your choice. It's optional though. And then your pineapples. These are the things I like to have in my low country boy. It makes it, comes out very delicious and you're going to enjoy. So these are the basic seasonings you need for your low country boy recipe, alright? I want to say thank you so much for watching till this moment. If you haven't subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. So go in with your corn. This is a very quick recipe. It's not something to waste time. Trust me. I will always advise you prep your items before you start cooking. Once you get your items prepped, that makes your cooking very easy. Yeah, you can choose to bring out your corn and your potatoes. If you care, you can just choose to go in with everything, allow it to cook nicely and bring it out, okay? I'm going to cover it, allow it to start cooking so I can cut my... Please do not forget to add your onion if you like onion and your old base seasoning. So guys, I forgot to add my onion. I'm going to go in with my onion. I like to have onion also. And this is old base seasoning, which is the original seasoning for this very recipe. I forgot to add it. I'm going to go in with it. So if you forget, just go ahead, add it in. Trust me, you are going to enjoy this meal with this seasoning. I'm going to mix everything in, guys. I want this thing to cook nicely. Today, I'm just going to add everything in at a time. Here is my chopped sausages, so add your sausages. Guys, all of this will give it delicious. Let me know where you're watching me from. If you have watched till this point, give this video a massive thumbs up. I'm going to add my shrimp. Make sure your shrimp is well cleaned. And you see, this is jumbo size and I've made sure everything is nice and clean. So go ahead, add it in. I like a lot of shrimp. This is seafood. Yeah. Adjust it like so. Look at that oranges. Look at that pineapple. Gives it a delicious taste, guys. Look at all the citrus, oh my goodness. It makes it different here, guys. It makes it different. Oh my goodness, this is good. I can't wait to dive in. Oh yeah. I'll cover it and let it cook well. I'm not going to bring out the potatoes, no. I just want everything to cook together. The corn is giving. It's giving, guys. So drop in the comment section if you like to have some peppers in your seafood, any type of seafood. You guys know I like jalapeno in my food, so yeah, I'm adding chili peppers, green chilies. I'm adding ginger, I'm adding garlic. This is very, very optional. You don't need to add this. Okay, this is my own preference. So this is what the pepper looks like, guys. It's optional, you don't need to add. But I'm adding because I love to eat spicy food. And yeah, this is seafood, so I gotta add some spice. Okay. Look at how beautiful this is looking. You can also choose to make peppers by the side and enjoy this deliciousness. Our food is ready. Look at that deliciousness, guys. We are ready. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Guys, this is so good. We have come to the end of this recipe. Try it. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna dish for my family, guys. This is so good. Guys, this is a very good recipe. My husband is waiting. Thank you all so much for watching. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. If you have watched till this moment, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you. Please turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime we upload new videos. Thank you. The low country boy, guys. Isn't this beautiful? This is so good. Trust me. Do this for your husband. He will love you. Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. We are going to set the table. It's time to eat. Thank you all so much. Ciao, ciao. Love you. Bye.